payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me selfish and critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't want that. This might hurt, but that's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback. Don't say I didn't want ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just That's just karma. Go and play the part, play the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons. Blaming everybody and you're screaming, but I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's selfish and critical, you could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn ya. This might hurt, that's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. Go too hard and let it die. Better say our last goodbyes. Oh, come back, come back. I don't need ya, I don't want that. Oh, don't say I didn't want it. That's just karma. That's just karma. Don't say I didn't want ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. Wicked is the price. Why'd you run and hide? You can come inside. You're screaming my name, we're lost in the haze. Baby, tell me, are you entertained? You're saying my name, calling me insane. I'm running like a bullet to the brain. Welcome to the carnival, the freaks come out to play. Shut your eyes, hear the cries, you ain't got games to play. Welcome to the carnival, you made a big mistake. You make us feel the freaks, so feel how to run away. Why'd you pull the trigger? You won't find the light in the smoke and mirrors. You're screaming my name, we're lost in the haze. Baby, tell me, are you entertained? You're saying my name, calling me insane. I'm running like a bullet to the brain. Welcome to the carnival, the freaks come out to play. Shut your eyes, hear the cries, and we got games to play. Welcome to the carnival, you when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.